Welcome everybody into another daily recap. Today is Tuesday the 20th of February, and as always we're going to have a quick recap at the main pairs: gold, GBPUSD, GBPJPY. We are going to start with gold. Today it's a Tuesday, no news, no reports, nothing really happening. Nothing really happening. I think tomorrow we have the FOMC minutes. I don't think we have them today. Yeah, tomorrow we have the FOMC minutes, so nothing expected today, and we're going to start by looking on gold. So this is our London session. This is pre-London, but we see this spike up in volume with this bullish momentum and a very slow, it will take like more than around 40 minutes to retest, 30 minutes to retest this previous PSA, and from there we would have 17 pip pushback, 17 pip, and only like half an hour later we're going to push up. Yeah, 1 hour, basically 1 hour later, we're going to have the actual breakout for this possible first retest for first win, and then on the second retest of an hourly PSA and this previous PSA, as you can see, for a possible 20 pip. Basically, I think I will go to break even and then continue pushing up. Then after the retest of this area, you can see how slow it is, because from the breakout 11:24 to the actual retest is basically 1 hour. So that's why I haven't looked at gold at all, because it was very slow, not really in a good volume. This is with New York open. Yes, still the price is making new highs. That's okay. If you get the proper entry, it is golden, but it's taking a lot longer time and it's not really the scalping style that I'm used to. And it's during New York that we have this breakout, very aggressive, a complete retest, around 3-4 pips of profit of a drawdown, and then around 229 pip of profit, would not go to 30, so it will then push back to break even. Very unlucky, this trade opportunity, but at least it's something that more scalping wise, more of my style. That's because of this spike in volume, but still will not be sufficient to go into the TP. It's interesting nonetheless to check this, and yeah, you can see that price was still going bullish. The thing is that throughout the day it was very slow, so always retesting the same PSA, yes, because we can see how it was not really anything out of the ordinary, retesting the same PSAs, but yeah, quite slow, quite non-volumetric throughout the whole day. You can see also another retest of this area for the 40 pips, but yeah, possibly on the intraday it will be better to trade, but yeah, just if you got the right entry. Otherwise, yeah, this is from yesterday, yeah, we got this retest and then breaking above, but today, and not just another style of trading. Let's go into GBPJPY. On GBPJPY, I took a couple of entries, and we're going to start with the London one. So London, I see this is a very rushed entry. I did not wait for the candle to close. So when this candle was strongly bearish, I placed a sell limit over here, and it got triggered, only pushed like 2 pips and then pushed back into my stop loss, which is good because it will go furthermore. Then I missed the possible entry over here at a break and retest of these highs. I didn't take it. Will only go around 12 pips, which means that it would go to break even and stop loss at break even, and then pushing back to break even. And then we had a possible correction on the downside, breaking and retesting these order block lows for 1 or 2 entries. This one would be too hard to take, but this one, breaking and retesting these lows, yes, would be a quite good entry anyway. Then I was looking for this possible continuation sells, would have been a loss. After that, nice correction on the upside. What I took, so I saw this price action. I had a buy limit over here. The thing is that it did not get activated. So when I saw this 1 minute candle pushing up, I placed a buy limit over here, and I got around 6-7 pips of profit, and then pushed back into my stop loss. Yeah, we'll go 1 pip more, and then it will push to break even at least. But yeah, I got my second loss on GBPJPY. I didn't take this entry, and after that, price was just absolutely ranging in between these areas. So just a recap, I took 2 losses on GBPJPY, 1 and 2. 1 could have been avoided 100%, especially because it's I didn't wait for not a single confirmation of the bearish momentum, and the second one was okay, I would say. A little bit unlucky because I wanted it to be triggered here, but would have been a loss anyway. Now that we are approaching London close, we're seeing some volume, but yeah, anyway, let's go to the main event, which is GBPUSD. That's where I took 5 trades today throughout the London and the New York session. I took 2 wins and 3 losses. Overall, it's basically a break-even day. Could have been better, could have been worse. So not really much to say about it. So this is it. That's the main thing. I see this is 1 hour after London Open. I see this candle. Here I place a buy stop. So here I see this price action. I see that price is bouncing multiple times against this area, and I place a buy stop. In hindsight, of course, the best entry would have been, because I have 1.5 pips of drawdown, my setup would have worked fine with a nice retest of this area. Will push to the TP anyway, but yeah, I got my buy stop activated, a little bit of drawdown, and then it will go into profits. I didn't take the retest of this area, of this hourly PSA, that I think is matching on something. I don't remember if GBPJPY or it was matching this entry, this possible entry. I didn't take it. I took the next one. The next one was the break, 1 candle break of these eyes. I took a loss. Was quite unlucky because you can see 2 things. One is that I got stopped out at the bottom of the candle, and this candle was quite aggressive, a spike in volatility, because I got stopped out with 3.8 pips of loss, so more than my stop loss. So I got slipped, basically 1 pip, 30%. And yeah, that was the bottom, because from there price would just push up. You see that it will never go back to my stop loss. Again, we'll go to break even, but stop loss at break even, it will not be tapped, and then it will go into profit. So quite an unlucky stop loss getting it. And after that, as it happened on GBPJPY, I saw this correction, and I saw this entry. I saw it because also I took a snapshot of it. Let me check which one it is. Okay. Yeah, it's this one. You can see that I saw, oh no, this is below, which would be a loss. Okay, no, I didn't take the snapshot, but yeah, I was looking at it. I was looking at this possible entry. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. I saw that. I said, okay, this is possible retesting and pushing to these lows. And yeah, exactly what is going to happen. And it happened exactly that. So that even an entry over here would have been a 10 pip TP hit. After that, I see this price action moving. I see this breakout. I place a buy limit, it doesn't get activated. And I see this breakout. I place a buy limit, and now it gets activated perfectly. Basically, no drawdown, and it goes 10 pips straight away. I missed this entry, which would have been very, very good. It's a retest of here. I was possibly waiting for the retest, for the breakout from here, but yeah, this entry would have been amazing. And you can see how starting, I mean, it's pushing up GBPUSD in a very nice fashion also. I place a buy limit here, doesn't get activated. We get this very aggressive candle, doesn't get activated. Then I see this breakout and I place a buy limit over here. This is the hourly. There is some price sensitivity area on the 20-tick chart. Yeah, over here, you can see that's my first PSA of interest. I place it. I have a thought that maybe I should place it lower, but yeah, get stopped out for 3.3 pips. We go to 4, and yeah. Yes, where is it? Yeah, 3 pips. Anywhere below there would have been safe, and then we'll go into profit. So a little bit of unlucky today because I have with this loss after this loss during the morning, quite unlucky ones. Did I talk about this one? I think yes. Aggressive breakout. Get stopped out at 3 pips, then it will push, but then it will be a loss anyway. Yeah, I got also this loss. And but I mean, I like it because apart from something where the breakout is not really what I want, the other ones are my setups. And this one just place it wrong. You can see it only 1 minute. That's where the price action, the most price sensitivity area is over there. Probably I should have placed it here. So if I place it here, either at the lows of the candle, because here on the 20-tick chart, this should be a bearish candle. Yes, so yeah, if I place it here, that would be fine. Yeah, that's absolutely what I should have done. And yeah, we stopped out, and then it will push up here, breaking up, but doesn't give me. I have a buy limit, doesn't get activated. Here I wanted to, but I didn't place it, and I have a screenshot because now I'm not taking all the entries. You can see I see this price action on the 20-tick chart, and yeah, we are here. We are over here, and yeah, with the New York Stock Exchange opening volume, it pushes into a profit very, very nicely. Bam, 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 bam. 10 pips, and then it will just react. After that, we can see that is bouncing from the same PSA over and over. If I took this entry, it would have been another loss. So okay, I was done. Then we see the breakout and retest of this order block. There you go. We have this order block after bouncing multiple times. We have breakout. Yes, we have this PSA on the left hand side, but I think it's already 5 pips to go there. Yeah, it's more than 5 pips. So we should be safe. And yeah, this retest entry would be another win. So overall, it's a break-even day. Also because in the last one I adapted on GBPJPY I adapted the volume because I didn't want to lose. I didn't want to risk too much of my profits. And yeah, 2 wins and 5 losses. So with how unlucky some of them were, and yeah, like this one or the missed one, I think I still have around a 50% win rate, especially as per just the setup. Might be 50, some days 60, these days should be absolutely more. Especially I should be able to adapt and probably manual entry, seeing this volume, seeing this momentum, just place maybe a buy stop or whatever, because with this volume and this momentum, oftentimes I miss out on too many trades. So that's something that I should be adapting to, and with experience I will be able to. But even with just this thing, as you can see, I was waiting for this, but no, I didn't have any chance. And yeah, with that, a 50% even better win rate should be able to give me a profitable setup overall. This one will go to 20 pips, this one will go to around 40 pips, 50 pips. Yeah, So I had many opportunities to take my buy, to follow the trend, absolutely fine. On gold, I didn't want to touch it because you can see that the volume was not the same. On the hourly, yes, but you can see how different it was throughout the whole New York session. Just not, the difference is quite clear between this and this, so not much to add on that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you tomorrow, Wednesday, the 21st of February, for another recap and for another amazing trading day. See you guys.